Exam Tricks Double Nine YouTube channel. Now we are going to discuss about 14 December's current affairs 2020. Note these points. National International Sports Important Dates. Now we start. Economic Reserve Bank of India has decided to set up an automated banknote processing center in our receipt stage and dispatch of currency notes. Jaipur. Reserve Bank of India decided to introduce the POS to pay system for check from 1 January 2021, under which reconfirmations of key details may be needed for payment beyond 50,000. 14 December every year celebrate for the National Energy Conservation Day. National Energy Conservation Day 14 December. Indian tennis player Ankita Raina wins ITF doubles title in Dubai. Indian tennis players Ankit Raina wins ITF doubles title in Dubai. Indian tennis player Ankita Raina claimed her third doubles title of the season after she won the 2020 Al Abdur Tennis Challenge jointly with her Zero Asian partner Ecuadorian Jorgadis in Dubai. First man passes away. First man to fly faster than speed of sound Cheku Yagar passes away. Air Force officers. US Air Force officers and test pilot Cheku Yagar, who in 1947 became the first pilot in history. As a test pilot on October 14, 1947, became the first woman to officially break the sound barrier. Renowned Sanskrit scholar Vijayavajapati Govindaracharya passes away. Vijayavajapati Govindaracharya passes away. He was well versed in Veda Bhashaya, Upanishad Bhashaya, Mahabharata, Ramayana, had written commentaries on Veda Sutras, Sutra Bhakshya, Gita Bhakshya. Fifth Indian Myanmar bilateral meeting on drug control cooperations. Important these points. Note these points. The Narcotics Control Bureau NCP India and the Central Committee on Drug Abuse Control Myanmar conduct the fifth edition of the India Myanmar bilateral meeting on drug control cooperations India and Australia Inc. MOU on technology cooperations. MOU Memorandum of Understanding. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with the Federal Ministry of Climate Actions, Environment, Energy, Mobility, Innovations and Technology of the Republic of Australia and technology cooperations in the road infrastructure sector. BSE Bombay Stock Exchange launch e-agriculture sport market platform BEM Bombay Stock Exchange Limited has Launch an electronic support platform PSE, Agriculture Market Limited PEM, for agricultural commodities through its subsidiary PSE Investment Limited. TPS Bank India partners with Hadask to aid MSME recovery from COVID-19 pandemic. With TPS Bank India has collaborated with Hadask to assist India MSME via Hadask, a new platform which provides access to MSME focused government assistance schemes across the country. PM Modi's another important news. PM Modi delivers inaugural address at FICCI 33rd annual general meeting. 33 annual general meeting. The annual configuration via video conferencing. FICCI. Thank you to all.